Hello, this video is for the Whodunnit activity. So you're going to start on Science 6, the Schoology landing page, scroll down to Module C, Unit 2, Lesson 1. And then it's right here, Whodunnit, Abiotic, and Biotic factors. It is a PowerPoint, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to open it in PowerPoint. Okay. Enable editing, file, save as, put it in your OneDrive because you're going to submit it. All right, so this is Whodunnit, Skill Builder, Abiotic and Biotic factors. It's interactive, and it says 6 contestants on a reality TV show were stunned to find their lowest scoring colleague was injured. You must figure out the crime before the end of the day. The question is who done it and how. The player, last known whereabouts, and method that are left unaccounted for is the solution. Okay, so number 1, this mission is to find facts. In this document, you will find 10 clues you must crack. Number 2, each correct answer will rule out either a player or a last known whereabouts or a method. Okay, when you get this clue, you need to mark it off on the who is the criminal, and we're going to see that here in the next slide. And then number 3, after you collect all 10 clues, there will only be one possible remaining. This reveals the crime. Write a sentence that includes the criminal, location of the crime, and method used to cause the injury on the what happened page at slide 14. Okay, so let's go to slide 3. This is the slide you're going to use to cross off any of these that you find are not the players, or if you find out, okay, well, it's not Mrs. Bio or whatever. So it says, who is the criminal? The 3 boxes left unchecked will reveal the crime. If you can't figure it out, you may be next. That's not true. But when you get here, you can click on a space and you can put an X, okay, depending on who it is that it's not. And the hope is that you'll have, I honestly don't know the answer right now. So let's say you find out that none of these, so that means that Dr. Earth did it, or what have you. It's the one that doesn't have the X in it. And we'll do the first one together so you can kind of see what that looks like. Okay, so we go to the first clue. It says, what are the non-living parts of an environment called? And we're supposed to stretch the yellow highlighter box over the answer. So I'm going to grab this box. Let's see. Grab this box. And I know that the non-living part is abiotic factors. So I stretched it. That's my answer. It says Mr. Kim was stretching in the kitchen. Okay. So I'm going to go back up here. Under Mr. Kim, I'm going to put an X. Under kitchen, I'm going to put an X, and it says he was stretching. I don't think any of that works. Okay, so we know that that's what we get from the very first one. Okay, and then clue 2, you're going to take the same thing, grab the box, put it where it goes as an answer to this. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom. All of these are clues, and make sure that after every clue you come back to this and put your X's in where you want them. And then at the very bottom, it says, write a sentence that includes the criminal, the location of the crime, and the type of injury. So this will be where you answer, where you finally put your answer, the ones that are left open. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.